Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this e-scooter. These things are pretty cool, not just for kids anymore. Let's see. This one holds up to 265 pounds. Goes 19 miles an hour. I believe it weighs 26 pounds. It's got a little kickstand on here. Let's try to slide it out of here, shall we? Man, this thing's pretty solid. There's that. This thing is some pretty heavy-duty metal here on this bad boy. There's our handlebars. Come off right there. Looks like this just folds up. How'd they get this on there is what I want to know. Got this piece of plastic around here. Okay, that just folds up there. Looks like make sure to lock the pull well before riding. Okay. So this just snaps up here. It locks into place. Open. To open it up, we just open it up like that. All right, that's pretty legit. And then we have our handlebars right up top here, which are secured by 2 screws. Slide that in there, take off this foam. Okay. Alrighty, well, that was fairly easy. Man, this is nice and tall here. Oh yeah. This has got front and back. Well, it looks like just back disc brakes there. That's pretty sweet. Put my phone right here on the top. I believe, or is that the throttle? We got 2 different throttles here. All right. Little bell on there too. That's pretty cool. And I think this is the gas and this is the other thing. Let's turn it on. Let's get this thing going here. I just want to show you guys these brakes on the back. This thing's pretty gnarly. Got these sweet little disc brakes. These are solid tires, but they are rubber. So they got these holes through them like that. So they got a little bit of impact. Got light on the back here. This thing looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm just going to open up these other things here, and then we'll get these screwed on there. And we're going to be giving this thing a little ride. I'm pretty excited. This thing's actually got a little kickstand here, so I can just set it right there. And it's got a little app on the top thing. We can scan that and check that out. Okay, what we have here also is... Why are some of these bags so difficult to open? We have our little charging cable. And that goes in with this to charge it up. We have our manual. Then we have some screws here and a little Allen key. And also have just a little backpack that goes on there. I think so. Let me check this out here. That's cool. You can put stuff in there. I think this just goes right on here, so you can put gear in here. This can go right here on your on there. Hold water bottle or whatever. So that's pretty cool. Extra storage there. So let's get these out and put these on the handlebar there. Looks like they gave us an extra one. So there's 2 on one side and 2 on the other, just to make sure that's super secure. It looks like we got a light on the front here. This thing's pretty sweet. So 19 miles an hour is actually pretty fast. I'm pretty excited to try this out. It's a little dark outside right now, so I'm gonna have to wait for tomorrow for the sunshine. But yeah, this thing looks pretty, definitely really sturdy. It's like a solid metal base here for sure. Okay, get this screwed on there. Got one more on the other side there, right above that one. And make sure that goes in there okay. So I'm just tightening with the little end first, and then I'll tighten it up with the big end. So I've ridden some of those scooters where they put them around town and you can pay to ride one or whatever. Those are pretty fun. So this is basically just like that. A nice easy way to get around. I might have to test this out in the living room just to see. Okay, so now that I got those tightened on a little bit, I'm just gonna tighten them on the rest of the way by using our longer handle of this. And there we go. Make sure we get that in all the way and then turn it. There we go. That's secure there. And we got one more here. Okay, it's got a little bit of Loctite on there too. I'll have to read the instructions. I'll be right back. We'll fire this thing up here. Go. All right, friends, so right here we have this front portion. This can just lift up and fold that out. If you need to put it in the trunk of your car, fits in there nicely. And just close that. Has this nice little kickstand. Boom, get it going. Have the different modes here with the eco mode, and it'll give you like a lot longer range but less speed. And then obviously the D driving into super mode basically. So goes the fastest, goes up to what, like 19 miles an hour. Pretty sweet. And it's got these brakes here are yeah, work really well too. These nice little disc brakes here. So I'm gonna take it out for a little drive here and show you guys there. All right, we can turn on the lights too, headlight, just by double tapping the power button here. On comes the front light and also the tail light, so it keeps you safe at night. It's pretty cool. This thing is really sturdy. You see how solid it is. It's just like a big old hunk of metal here. Nice rubber here, really good traction on this so you don't slip and slide if it's a little bit wet or whatever. Just really happy with this thing, the design. It's a lot of fun to ride around. Nice little transportation device here. Got a little storage up here also. So pretty sweet scooter, my friends. Even has a little bell right here. The grips are really good. The brakes work amazingly well too. Just a lot of fun. The throttle is right here, super easy to use. Just push down with your thumb if you want to go, and we'll show you guys the app here. But check out those disc brakes. The wheels too, they have like these holes in them, so they're solid rubber, and but they still absorb a little bit of the bumps and stuff like that. All right, so this is pretty sweet, guys. It goes really fast. Got the lights on the front. A great idea for a Christmas gift or something like that. A lot of fun to ride, actually. Get a little way to transport if you don't have too far to go. Has the app also, so you can lock it so other people can't use it. Just a really sweet little device here. Hey, look at this thing. It's going pretty fast. Try to keep up here. I can't. He's going too fast. Okay, here we go. Let's a little ride here. So it goes pretty fast. Stop sign here. Just give a little push. and then you can go. But yeah, we're cruising along pretty fast here. 16 miles an hour, 17. Nice and this thing goes pretty good here. If I want to turn around, just kind of lean while you're turning. And there we go. So this thing's a lot of fun, actually. Cover a pretty good distance also. I've been using this, and my son's been riding it for quite a bit, and it's still full battery charge and everything. So this thing's a lot of fun, my friends. A lot of fun to ride here. Anyways, well, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. This thing is just a blast to ride. It's a lot of fun. My boy loves it. He takes it all over the place. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. All right, guys, so we can check out the app right here. It's got all these things on here. A bunch of different things. You can turn on the taillight on, change the miles per hour to kilometers, cruise control, fixed speed. Go back, it shows the speedometer on there, the battery life, how many miles you've gone. You can lock it. So if we lock it or unlock it, if we lock the device here, I'll show you guys real quick and see what happens if someone tries to steal it when it's locked. So then it's got this little thing right here. So if you try to push it or anything, it's gonna beep, and like the tires, the front tire will go like backwards. So right here, if I try to take it like this, it won't let you take it. The wheels lock up. It also goes backwards and forward. So, and it makes a beeping noise. So if someone's trying to like ride off on your scooter, you can just put it like, they can still carry it off, but they're not gonna be able to ride off. So another nice little feature there. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching.